The Firestick remote blinking green is typically an indication that it is in troubleshooting mode. This mode is activated when the rewind and right buttons are pressed simultaneously for 3 seconds, followed by the menu button. Once in this mode, pressing any button will help identify the underlying issue with the device. To exit troubleshooting mode, press the play and up buttons for 3 seconds. Then hit the menu button. It may also be helpful to remove the batteries and reinstall them. And check for connectivity issues. For some remotes, troubleshooting mode is not supported, so issues must be identified and solved without it. Connectivity issues can be resolved by pressing and holding the home button until the light turns orange, then waiting for the remote to blink blue to confirm pairing. If the green blinking persists, it may be due to low battery, as the batteries in a Firestick remote typically last 9 to 10 months. In this case, replacing the batteries may be necessary, which can be done by flipping the remote over, sliding off the battery compartment, removing the old batteries, and installing new ones. After replacing the batteries, check to see if the flashing continues.